We're back in our Go Math textbooks, page 446. Benchmarks for the metric system. This is something that we typically use in other parts of the world and in science class. The metric system is based on place value. Each unit is 10 times as large as the next unit. That's really important to remember. Everything in the metric system is based on 10. Below are some common metric benchmarks. So we have metric units of length, how long something is. We have a millimeter is about the width of a dime, how wide a dime is. A centimeter, about the width of my finger from one side to the other. So this section, about 1 centimeter. A decimeter, if you look at your hand, about the distance from here to here, about from there to there, it's a decimeter. 1 meter is about the width of a door. And a kilometer is how far you would walk in 10 minutes. So if we think back on the other page, we said that a mile was about how far you would walk in 20 minutes. A kilometer is about how far you would walk in 10 minutes. So it would take 2 kilometers approximately to make 1 mile. So is the length of your classroom greater than or less than 1 kilometer? So is it bigger or smaller than the distance you would walk in 10 minutes? Well, the length of our classroom is much smaller, so it is less than. Metric unit of liquids, so things we can pour, again, water, juice, milk. We have milliliters, measured with a medicine dropper, and liters. Many of you have 2-liter bottles of pop that you've seen before, so it'd be 2 of them. About how much medicine is usually in a medicine bottle? About 120. Would that be milliliters or liters? Well, it's not going to take 120 liters to get a medicine container. Definitely much smaller like this medicine dropper. So about 120 milliliters. Next, we have mass. This should be an L, not a T. Mass, how much something weighs. A dollar bill, about 1 gram. A baseball bat weighs, not the length this time, about 1 kilogram. So about how much mass is the mass of a paper clip? Is a paper clip closer to money or closer to the baseball bat? Definitely closer to the money. So paper clip is about 1 gram. About a gram. Go ahead and flip then to your next page, and I'll see you on the next video.